We got this 2015 Chevy CRUZE. Tons of smoke coming out. The whole engine bay area is full of oil completely all around. So we're gonna change the valve cover gaskets because somebody removed it, and instead of putting a new gasket on it, they just put some silicone. So that's not the right way. So we're gonna do it correctly, and then we're gonna change the turbo by removing the manifold, all this right here, disconnecting all this right here. We're gonna disconnect it from the catalytic converter, and yeah, so let me tell you what's needed and we'll go from there. So here we are. We got a turbo loose. I'm taking it off with the manifold. It's easier for me, in my opinion, because there was a leak on this exhaust. There's a small crack on this bottom side, so we just decided to replace it with it. So to get here, it's pretty easy. We got a couple of this type of nuts. There's size number 10, and this Torx style. You can use a number 8 and it works just fine. Okay, so you're gonna have a couple right here on the top and then on the bottom, and then you're gonna have this oil filling line. That Torx is a T40, work for me, but it looks more like a T42 or so. What else? You got one guy here, you got one bolt here and another one right there. Okay, so remove both of those, and then the clamp that's holding the manifold to the catalytic converter is just a number 13, just a 13mm bolt. Okay, and at the bottom you got the hose. Just remove the hose from the bottom, remove the hose from the top. This hose right here that's connected on the side of the turbo, there's 2 clips. Okay, just use a small pry tool, small pick, and push them out as you jiggle out the hose, and then it'll come out. And then the only thing that's left here to remove is on the bottom of the turbo. You got another feeding line. That oil line goes back to the block of the engine. So that was held up by two bolts like this as well onto the turbo. But you can either take those 2 off or take off the one that's connected to the block of the engine. So we're gonna have to lift up the CRUZE, get in there, remove the plastic cover from the bottom, and then just access that bolt, take it off, and then we're gonna be able to take off this turbo out. Okay, so let's do that. So jack up the car, and then, man, it's so full of oil down here, it's unreal. But anyways, that silver line, that is the oil return line. Okay, and it's held on by this plastic clip. Take that off from there, and then you're going to be able to pull off the turbo outwards, okay, from the top. Or if you want to struggle, follow the line, and then you're going to have the bolt that I was talking about right there. It's going to be that one and one on the back side, but that one's much harder to reach. So I suggest just taking it off from right there, and you'll be set. Okay, so get yourself a pry tool. You're gonna do this like that, and then push up. Okay, so now the line is completely loose, then I'm able to take out the turbo. So you got one oil line up here, that's a feeding line. So you got one oil line up here, one at the bottom, and 2 on the side. One that goes on the side is this one right here. Okay, just take it off from up here. The oil line that's up here goes around and connects right there. Okay, the second lower line that's at the back goes around and it connects to the block of the engine. And then get yourself a 17mm. Put your hand on the side, go in there, and then you can kind of see it right there. That's where the line connects to. Okay, so that's a 17. Remove it, and then that should be it. So there it is. We got the old turbo out, the new one in. We're going to transfer all the hoses and the lines onto the other one. Make sure you install all your seals with the copper seals, and also the rubber seals down here that goes into the oil drain tube, because you don't want no leaks. Okay, so the turbo will literally come out this way. Okay, I will record it, but my GoPro right now is down, and I'm getting a replacement for it, so I'm currently recording with my phone, so I can show you literally taking it out. But anyways, this comes out from here. Okay, it's not rocket science. So you only have one connector, and that's pretty much it. Again, this bolt that goes at the back, the line that goes at the back, is a 17. Okay, you got the drain tube, and you got the other lines that goes behind. Okay, so let me transfer this to that, and we're gonna grab the turbo, drop it in there, and we should be all set. Okay, so transfer everything. The two lines back here, this is a size 17, this one's a EP10. It's like a Torx style. Okay, and this guy right here is a Torx 30, and this one right here is a Torx 20. Okay, make sure you change your O-rings on your lines, and so let's grab this and drop it in here. So okay,